This evening, a mother's appeal for help to cover the medical expenses of a 5-year-old daughter who's already undergone 19 surgeries. TVJ's Krista Campbell has their story.
Jonian Walsh is a cook at the Richmond Hill Basic School in Pear Tree Grove, St. Catherine. Miss Walsh says she volunteers at the school to keep watch over her 5-year-old daughter, Aisha Williamson. At only 5 years old, Aisha has already been through 19 surgeries, the first when she was just 2 months old.
The scan showed that water was around the brain, and from then she has to do an emergency transfer to Children's Bustamante Hospital, where she went and did her first surgery there.
Little Aisha has been in and out of hospitals ever since. Tubes implanted inside her head to help drain fluid from around her brain.
What are her complaints now at age 5?
Well, basically she has asthma, she has abdominal problem, and she have hernia in the navel, and she used to do a surgery with the eye, and it seems like her hearing now is not working well.
Another hospital visit due late next month, the mother of 3 showed us mounting prescriptions that she explains are even more of a challenge for a single mother living in a remote area like Pear Tree Grove. She says for each hospital visit, she pays between $3,500 and $4,000.
I would leave out like 4:45 to Windsor Castle. When I reach to Windsor Castle, it's about 5:30 in the morning with her over my neck. You understand? Bag and everything I feel over my neck with her. When I'm at Windsor Castle, sometimes the taxi them not so frequent. They have to do that till 6:30. And it's a 7 o'clock appointment to have our children.
Sometimes up to 4 days at the hospital with little sanitary conveniences. She says sleeping on benches, sometimes with her son, makes an already difficult situation worse. And the constant hospital visits mean little Aisha is behind in her studies. She will have to remain at basic school while her peers move on to the primary level. Miss Walsh is a small farmer but says she's not making enough to cover the mounting medical bills.
I have my qualification in hospitality and foods preparation, but due to her illness that have set me back, I can't go forward to do anything to help her the right way.
If you want to help the family, you can call Jonian Walsh at 822-3314. That's 822-3314. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.